Hello everyone, welcome to episode 3, Server Formatting. We're going to go more into depth about the basic tools of Discord from the last episode and see how we can use them to format a Discord server. You'll notice in our last episode, we used a preset Discord template. This is a standard basic server format that's used in a typical server. We'll be going over why a server is formatted in this way and why it's beneficial to format this way to build a community. Keep in mind, you're not required to format a server in this way. You have the ability to customize a server however you feel that suits your needs. If your server is for self-use or for something more casual amongst your close friends, then you're able to reference this and format it in your own way. When someone joins your server, they'll show up in the welcome channel. The purpose of this channel is to keep a record of who joins your server, and this will serve as the first introduction for new members. Next is the Notes and Resources tab. Typically, this channel has a different title in other servers. Some might use this as a rules page, an introduction to the staff, or as an announcements page, or as a way to verify those who join the server. In this case, this channel is used as a resources or notes page, where you're able to display links and notes for all members to see. You're always able to create a new channel in this category if you want to create any additional channels like a rule page or a verification page. You'll notice that the two channels are under a label called Information. This is called a category. These are used to separate your voice and chat channels by subjects or topics. In this case, our Welcome and Notes channels are under the Information category. If you want to add another category, click the same caret icon next to the server name and select Create a New Category. Now, you can create new channels or move existing ones by clicking and dragging them into the new channel category. The next chat channel I'd like to mention is the General channel. Most servers contain a general chat, where anyone who is in the server is able to interact with each other in a large group discussion, almost like a group chat or a large forum discussion. These other channels are extra channels used to separate chat topics for organization purposes. You wouldn't want a subject like math being mixed in with a channel talking about writing. This Discord template provides you with pre-made channel names, but you're able to change them by clicking on the cog next to the channel name when you hover over. Similar to chat channels, having voice channels in your server is another way to communicate with server members. Having different voice channels for different topics and subjects is great to keep your server organized. Thanks for watching this episode in basic server formatting. There are a lot more advanced options and functions you're able to do once you become a little more familiar with Discord. There are extra features like implementing server bots, which we will be going over briefly in the next episode. There are ways to make your channels role-locked and only accessible to certain people in your server. At the same time, you're also able to hide voice and chat channels as well. But we'll go over that in our next episode about server moderation. Thank you, and I will see you all in the next episode.